Good morning, learners. Welcome in my class. Learners, this is your computer class. So, in previous class, we learned about different views of PowerPoint presentation. Okay, different views of PowerPoint presentation. Just like reading view, normal view, slide sorter view, and slide show view. Okay, so today we learn about how to modify a background. How can we modify the background of our slides? Every slide has a background on which all slide elements reside. Every slide has a background on which all elements are reside. You can make the background colorful or plain white, or you can even use a texture or digital image as a background. You can add a color, or you can make your background plain white, or even you can also use digital image as your background. It can enhance the look of your presentation. Here, enhance means to make something look better. Means this makes your presentation looks better. You can change the background for one slide or throughout the presentation. You can change the background only for one slide, or you can also apply same background to all the slides. Be careful with your choice of background. A complicated background can make the presentation hard to read or distracting. Complicated background makes your presentation hard to read or distracting. So choose a perfect background and also related to your topic. In this example, we have used a template of sales training for modifying the background. But you can also modify the background of blank presentation. Solid background color. How can we apply a solid background color in our slide? So step 1, select the slide you want to modify. Here, select the slide. Second, click on Design tab. Here, you have to click on Design tab. Step 3, click on Format Background. Click on Format Background option. The Format Background pane appears. The Format Background pane appears in right side. Click on the radio button of Solid Fill. You have to click on radio button of Solid Fill. Click on the Fill Color button to open the color palette. You have to click on Fill Color button. Select the color you want to apply as a background. From here, you can select the color which you want to apply in the background. Background color applies to the currently selected slide. Here you can see that we have selected yellow color here. In this example, yellow color is selected, and after clicking, yellow color is applied on the background of first slide. You can click on Apply to All button to apply solid color on all the slides. If you want to apply yellow color, this color, to all the slides, then you have to click on Apply to All option. This color, this yellow color, will be applied to all the slides. You can click on Reset Background button to bring it to its original background color. There is Reset Background button. If you want to bring your slide to its original background color, then you have to click on Reset Background button. Step 7, click on Close button to close the Format Background pane. Click on Close button to close the format background pane, means this part. Okay students, by following these steps we can apply a solid background color. So our next topic is gradient color. Apply a gradient color in the background of the slide. Students, do you know what is gradient? What is the meaning of gradient? Gradient is a multicolor fill in which one color gradually changes into another color. One color changes into another color. So what are the steps? Step 1, click on Design tab. You have to click on Design tab. Second is click on Format Background. The Format Background pane appears. Step 3, click on Gradient Fill option. Step 4, click on the Preset Gradients button. Here we have Preset Gradients button option. Select the pattern you want to apply as a background. From here, you can select any pattern which you want to apply as a background. Now step 6, click on the down arrow button of type. Here we have drop down button of type. Select the type of gradient pattern. Now step 8, click on the down arrow button of direction. You have to click on the down arrow button of direction. Step 9, select any direction of gradient fill. Select any direction of gradient fill. You can fine tune the gradient by adjusting its characteristics such as color, position and transparency. You can also set the characteristics like color, position and transparency of your color. The gradient fill selected by you is applied to the current slide. You can click on Apply to All to apply gradient fill on all the slides. You have to click on Apply to All option to apply this color to all the slides. Now step 10, click on Close button to close the Format Background pane. To close this part or pane, you have to click on Close button. Now textured fill color. How can we apply textured fill to our slide? Step 1, click on Design tab. Click on Design tab. Step 2, click on Format Background. Step 2, click on Format Background. The Format Background pane appears. Format Background pane appears in right side. Step 3, click on the radio button of Picture or Texture Fill. You have to click on radio button of Picture or Texture Fill. Step 4, click on the Texture button. Click on the Texture button. Step 5, select the texture you want to apply as a background. Select any one of the texture which you want to apply as background. Here this texture is selected. The textured fill selected by you is applied to the current slide. This texture is applied to the current slide. You can click to Apply to All button to apply textures fill on all the slides. If you want to apply this texture to all the slides, then you have to click on Apply to All button. Click on Close button to close the Format Background pane. To close this pane, you have to click on Close button. Now, custom image fill. How can we apply an image to the background of the slide? So, step 1, click on Design tab. Click on Design tab. Step 2, click on Format Background. The format background pane appears. Click on the radio button of picture or texture fill. Click on the radio button of picture or texture fill. Step 4. Click on the file button. Here we have file option. The insert picture dialog box appears. This is the pictures dialog box. Navigate the folder containing the file you want to use as the background image. Now navigate this folder to search your image which you want to add in the background. Click on the file you want to use. Click on the file which you want to use. And in last, click on insert. Click on insert. PowerPoint applies the background image to the current slides. You can see here PowerPoint applies the background image to the current slide. If the image is dark or hazy, you can make the slide text easier to read by increasing the transparency value. If your image is looking dark or hazy, then you can set the transparency value of this image. If the image is small, you can click the checkbox of the tile picture as texture to repeat the image so that it covers the entire slide background. From here, tile picture as texture option, you can set the values for its size. If the image does not cover the entire background, increase the values in the left, right, top and bottom spin boxes to stretch the image to full background size. From here, you can set the values for left, right, top and bottom. After applying these values, your image is stretched. After all the setting is done, the custom image is applied to the current slide. You can click on Apply to All button to apply custom image on all the slides. If you want to apply this custom image on all the slides, then you have to click on Apply to All option. Click on Close button to close the Format Background pane. Click on Close button to close this pane. Okay students. So students, today our chapter is completed. So students, read this chapter carefully. Also complete your work in your book and notebook. Okay students, thank you.